My dear friends, welcome to Learn SAP FICU. Friends, today we will continue the previous topic, that is LSMW. In a previous video, we have recorded a LSMW, and today we will do the further steps of LSMW. Before starting, I request you all, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get the notification of all my coming videos. So let's start today's session. The next step is, after recording the LSMW, next step is maintain object attributes. In this step, we will select the recording and save. Let's go to SAP screen and do the practical step by step. So first of all, run the T code here, LSMW. And here we have come in the window of LSMW. Here we have already given the name of projects, subprojects and objects in a previous video, and we have recorded the LSMW. Now just click on this execute or continue. Now here the first step is maintain object attributes. Here just click on this double click or display so that it will always in a change mode. Just click on it so it will all the fields are in change mode. Now just double click on this first option, maintain attributes. Here you need to just click on this batch input recording, and here you need to click on this option to record, to assign your recording here. Whatever the recordings we have done in a previous video, we have to give the name of that recording here. So we have given the name as FS00, so I have assigned that FS00 recording with this batch input recording, and just click on save. Now we will get back. Next step is maintain source structure. In this step we create the source structure name in which data will input into SAP. We will just give the name of a source structure in which data will input into SAP. Let's execute this step, double click on it, and here just click on this create a structure. Here we will give the name of a source structure from which we are going to upload the data into SAP. So the name of the source structure, we will give any name of the source structure. I am giving GL creation as the name of a source structure in a description also, and just continue. The name GL creation contains a blank. Please, the system is saying we cannot give the blank here, so we will remove the blank and just continue. So your source structure name is defined here, GL creation, and just click on save. Now data was saved. We will get back. Now next step is maintain source fields. To maintain source field, in this step we define the source field for which we upload the data into SAP. We will define the source field from which we upload the data into SAP. So first of all, before uploading the data into SAP, we need to create an Excel template from which we will upload or maintain the source field. So first of all, we will click on this object overview. Click on it, object overview. And now click on this table. because we are going to define a field in a tables. So now these are the fields which we have recorded. These are the fields: GL account number, company code, GL account group, profit and loss statement. So these are the groups fields which we have recorded. Now just copy these fields. Now just simply copy it. After this, table name and transaction code should be not copied, and after this you need to copy this all fields in a Excel. Just copy all the fields into Excel. Create one Excel. We will create a folder of Excel. Give any name. I am giving GL creation, GL master creation. Wait. Now we will open this file, and here we will paste the fields from the SAP. Here from this we will copy this and paste it into SAP. Just copy these fields by Ctrl C and paste it into SAP. Similarly, next column we will copy by Ctrl C and paste it here. All the fields we will copy from this SAP. Ctrl C and we will paste it. One by one we will copy. Now what to do? After copying, we will remove these fields. We will remove these two fields, table name and transaction code. These two fields we will just delete it. Fine. See very carefully, because these are the very important things. Now you have to just delete name. You have to just cut this option. Cut this from B here and paste it here. And remember it. Why I am doing this, I'll tell you later. And just delete this column. What I have did, I just cut B column to E column. And now change this character into just C. Just type C and copy in all the fields. Like this. Now just save. Now next step is, after copying from SAP, you have to open a new sheet and just copy this data which you have copied from the SAP, copied it, and come to the sheet 2 and here paste this data. Paste special this data and here you have to just transpose them and just continue. Now here you need to give formatting, little bit formatting, and you can just change the color. Now what you have to do, after copied this fields from the SAP into Excel, now you have to give this format to the core team members, and they will fill the required fields, like they will fill the GL name, what are the GLs they want to create into SAP. They will fill the information here in this format. You have to create this format and give it to the core team members, and they will give you the required information which they want to create into SAP, like GL account number, GL name, company code name. So required information they will give, and rest information you have to fill. Like you have to tell the account group numbers and account group number range, field status group. These information you have to provide it in this format, and rest of the information they will provide you by this format, by filling this format. And after getting the information, the list will be uploaded into SAP. Getting my point? So you have to give like this format, and like I am giving one information here which you have to gather from the core team members, like the company code is Tata, account GL account number which I want to upload into SAP. We will create a new session. Again, system is switched on. Wait a minute. Friends, I have restarted the system. Now, here you have to give information, which information you have to give and which information core team members will provide you. I am going to explain you again. Run the T code OBD4. Select your chart of account. Here you have to copy this account group information, like in which account group they have to create the GL. So you have to copy this all format and you should give to the core team members, and accordingly they will provide you the GL account number, and they will mention the GL name, short text, long text, and account group they will mention, and they will mention either that particular GL is, like for example, if they select this GL, any GL they copied, and if they selected here, like I have pasted this GL, if this GL account group number they will mention here, like this GL account number is 546, they will mention, they will tell you is it the part of profit and loss or balance sheet. You have to suggest them either it is the part of profit and loss account, so they have to put the sign of X, only X. If it is the part of balance sheet, so they have to put the mark of X in the balance sheet, otherwise leave it. And they will mention the short text and long text here, like expense GL, or this is our LSMW, so I am just mentioning here, and they will give you the proper name of the short text and long text here, currency they will provide you, all the information, relevant information they will provide you. Only you have to provide the account group details, number, range by this T code. So friends, like this you will get all the information, gather the information in this format, and then we will upload this format into SAP. In the next video we will learn how to upload into SAP.